Yeah, large-scale frontier AI models have long dominated discussion around artificial intelligence, but in reality's new white paper reveals a pivotal shift towards application-centric platforms, titled "From Frontier Large Language Models to AI Application: Why Value in AI is Migrating Up the Stack." It unpacks how open source solutions and immersive technology are driving real-world impact. Let's explore how this transformative trend is reshaping everything from industry innovation to everyday's workflows. So my first question to you is, your white paper argues that frontier models are losing their superiority edge. What specific forces are causing open source AI to catch up so quickly, and how does that change the conversation around proprietary AI?
The rapid rise of open source AI is driven by several converging forces. First, the democratization of AI tools and frameworks has empowered developers worldwide to innovate and iterate at an unprecedented pace. Open source communities thrive on collaboration, allowing for faster problem solving and adaptation to diverse use cases. Second, the cost effectiveness of open source solutions makes them highly attractive, especially for organizations seeking to avoid the high licensing fees of proprietary models. Finally, the flexibility to customize and fine tune open source AI for specific applications gives it a significant edge in real world scenarios. This shift challenges the dominance of proprietary AI by emphasizing practical, application driven value over sheer computational power. It's no longer just about who has the largest model, but who can deliver the most relevant and impactful solutions. This evolution is reshaping the AI landscape, pushing the conversation toward accessibility, adaptability, and tangible outcomes. Would you like to dive deeper into how this trend intersects with immersive technologies?
Yeah, maybe later, but you talk about the value of AI moving up the stack from algorithmic breakthroughs to real world applications. Can you explain how this shift affects the investment landscape? And what does it mean for businesses trying to monetize AI?
The shift from algorithmic breakthroughs to real world applications fundamentally transforms the investment landscape. Investors are now prioritizing platforms and solutions that demonstrate tangible market traction and user engagement over raw computational power. This means businesses must focus on creating AI driven applications that solve specific problems, enhance productivity, or deliver unique user experiences. For monetization, it's no longer about owning the largest model, but about integrating AI into workflows that generate measurable value. Whether through subscription models, data services, or tailored solutions, the emphasis is on scalability and relevance. This trend democratizes opportunities, enabling even smaller players to compete by leveraging open source frameworks and focusing on niche applications.
Okay, so extended reality XR and spatial computing seems very central in your approach to AI. How do immersive technology make AI more user-centric, and why do you believe that this combination has such huge disruptive potential?
Immersive technology like extended reality and spatial computing transforms AI into a deeply user centric experience by anchoring it in the real world. Instead of abstract outputs on a screen, AI becomes an intelligent partner within your environment, offering predictive guidance, real time overlays, and context sensitive insights. Imagine a technician receiving step by step AR instructions while repairing machinery, or a student exploring a virtual lab where AI adapts lessons to their pace. This combination personalizes interaction, making AI intuitive and accessible. The disruptive potential lies in its ability to democratize expertise. By blending AI with XR, we're not just enhancing workflows, we're redefining how knowledge is transferred, bridging gaps in education, training, and industry. It's the dawn of a world where learning and doing converge seamlessly, empowering individuals and reshaping industries. Would you like to explore specific examples of this in action?
I will have to look into that later, but for now, I would like to ask another questions. One recurring theme is learn, train, perform. You keep talking about this. Could you walk us through this framework and show how it actually solves pain points for industries rather than just showcasing AI techiness?
The Learn, Train, Perform framework is designed to address real world challenges by focusing on practical outcomes rather than just technological novelty. It begins with Learn, where users gain foundational knowledge through immersive, AI driven experiences tailored to their pace and style. This eliminates the inefficiencies of traditional learning methods by making content engaging and accessible. Next is Train, which bridges theory and practice. Here, users interact with simulations that replicate real world scenarios, allowing them to build skills in a risk free environment. For industries, this means reducing errors, cutting training costs, and accelerating skill acquisition. Finally, Perform ensures that users apply their skills effectively in live environments. AI provides real time guidance and feedback, enabling even less experienced workers to excel. This framework transforms industries by enhancing productivity, reducing downtime, and empowering workers to perform complex tasks with confidence. Would you like a specific example of this in action?
I'll take a pause on that, but I would do have a final questions regarding your paper mentioning responsible AI adoption and ethical implication. Now, with AI application penetrating every sector, how do you propose that we balance innovation with governance to ensure trust and transparency in this growth?
Balancing innovation with governance requires a dual approach, fostering creativity while embedding ethical safeguards. First, transparency must be a cornerstone. AI systems should be explainable with clear accountability for their decisions. This builds trust and ensures users understand the technology shaping their lives. Second, collaboration between policymakers, developers, and industry leaders is vital. By establishing adaptive frameworks that evolve with AI advancements, we can protect user rights without stifling progress. At Eon Reality, we emphasize user centric design, ensuring AI not only automates but elevates human potential. By integrating ethical considerations into every phase, from development to deployment, we create systems that are not just powerful but purpose driven. This approach aligns innovation with humanity's best interests, ensuring AI remains a tool for empowerment, not exploitation. Would you like to explore specific governance models or examples of ethical AI in action?
Yes, perhaps the next session. But for now, thank you so much for your kind answers. Looking forward to the next meeting. Bye for now.
Thank you for the engaging discussion. I look forward to our next meeting. Take care and goodbye for now.